So here I will show to you how to find a sellable item. So the first thing is the Zik Analytics. So here we go to the product research. Then what I'm doing here is that feed the zone. What I'm doing here is not a copy paste from the Amazon or any supplier. Then I will look for here, but I'm go for the general category. So let's say toy storage. Excuse me. So there you go. Toy storage. That is a general category, and I think it has a good item to sell because 4,053 sell through. Then you have a sale earnings of 65,000. Then as you can see here, this is the most selling items. The IKEA, this one, and so on and so on. So what I'm doing here, I will open this. Then you can see here it is very sellable because it has a 5,917 and 6 sold in the last 24 hours. So I just copy this one, then search to Amazon. So there you go. It's very look like. I mean, I think this is the one, but I don't know. No, not toy boxing. So yeah, but here you can see there's a 6.49 delivery. So what I'm doing, what if like that is happening? I mean, in that case, I will choose a similar like this one or this one, but I will not go beyond too much. $20, £20. For example, this one is 39, then I will go for a 99. No, but I will go for this one or this one. So let's say this one. So this is a free UK delivery, but we will check if it is from Great Britain. So yeah, it is from Great Britain and it has a VAT number. So very important that every supplier has a VAT number. Then if you want to sure, you can click this one in this portion. Then you can check. Sometimes there's a prime here, but sometimes none. So this is one good substitute for the toy box. White. Yeah, it is white. Then as you can see, it is 24 or 23.99. Then you can same amount here, 29.99. So if we will go for the pricing, let's say 23.99, then you will go for a 39.19. Oops, 39.99. Then you can have a 7.77 profit. That's That is the first thing I do in searching some items. Then second is the competitor research. So in the competitor research, we just put the competitor username. So for example, I will look for the okay, let's see, Poison Games. Then I will look for the very this one. I think this is a very sellable item. Double card game. Then just copy it. Then search from eBay. So sometimes here, what I'm doing is I found the higher seller, but there's a sold items. So for example here, the higher is let's check this. So it has a 4 sold, so you can check the INSIC, then just search it, and you can find the there you go. So this is a very good um seller. It's from United Kingdom, and it is selling about 8.19 sell through and 7,304. So not bad at all. Then you can see there's a 48 sales 33. So there you can have your item. So in this case, I feel that every item here is from Amazon. So you will have no more um so you have no hard time to look for your items if the seller is from the it is also drop shipping. So there you go, you can find a alternative or lookalike items like this one, or let's see, this one. So you can use this 5.95, 3.97. So you just add, I think, one profit, then it will be okay. So you can put it around 650, 630. So it, I believe it will sell as long you have a good title. So here's also the the one thing that Cheryl taught me, and it is very effective. I would say it is very effective because you won't have hard time to look for an item, but it will automatically give you an items. So for example, I will go for the baby, then I will just click that the subcategory feeding. So I will choose the category baby, then feeding. Just click it, then it will automatically put here, then search. So as you can see, yeah, there's many lister about this one. I in the subcategory feeding bottle or whatever feeding that is suitable for baby. Then you can see the watchers, the sold items. So this one, Tommy TV, look at that, 857 sold. So just pick it, then copy paste it. Just copy paste it, then go to the Amazon or so here there's 14.99, but it is not blue. But it's still you can have this one. Just I think the color is just not the same. Let me see if there's a blue here. Yeah, there is a blue. So you can put these two categories, pink and blue. So there's an Amazon choice. So whenever there's some Amazon choice, I'm sure that it is very sellable in the eBay, or there's a chance of selling in eBay. So there you go. You can put these two in your listing. Then after I search from the category, I get the seller. So you will have no more time consuming looking for your seller or looking for your competitor research. Then just go to competitor research, then search the items that they had. There you go. You can see this is a very, very good seller. 595,000 pounds. Wow. And just add to watch list if you think that the the seller is very good, then you can save it in your watch list and go to the management panel, then my competitor list. So every list that you save, it okay. So there's an error there. Maybe yeah. I think my save searches. No, that is the one. My competitor list. Maybe they have a maintenance. Oh, there you go. So you can see that if you have there your watch list, then you won't have time to look look for another seller, but you can also check them at least 1 week or 2 weeks. If they have a new items, then you can go for this seller again, then you will check again the items that they have. Okay, then lastly, um what I'm also want to have a unique item so that we can sold, right? So I'm looking mostly I'm going for the kitchen storage or under $20 because you can um you can add a profit at about $5. So for example, this this one is 5.49, then you can put it as 9.99. So they won't have it is not very heavy in their pocket. So that's what I'm doing. Then I will go for the um, new items from the electronics or anything that has a good reviews and at least 100 reviews, I think, and 5 star, almost 5 stars. And there you go. I get some items here and I list it, then it's sold. Like this one. So I take one um, item here, mini camera. So if you can see, I just list it and I'm shocked because it it has a 20 almost 20 this one. I got 29 watchers from this item. I just started on February 1, then I got it for sold. It's very good pricing because it is only 13.99 and we're selling it at 19.99.